guys, it's Maybell, and today I'm going to be doing the Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. So let's get started. The things I got at the dollar store is eye drops, Tide, glue, baking soda, glitter, and shaving cream. And I got something to mix with and something to mix in. So the first slime I'm going to make is just slime. So let's get on to that. So I'm going to first put in the glue, and I also have the Tide. So I'm going to use the Tide for this one. So I'm going to add this whole entire thing with this glue. Okay, that's all I'm going to add. Okay, and then I'm going to add some glitter. I got the silver glitter. And I'm going to mix. And there it is. It's probably going to show so much more in the slime. This is just a mixing part right now. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of Tide. Just a little bit at a time, like that. Ooh, it's already forming. This is cool. I like it. This is kind of gonna, it's gonna, I don't know. It's not turning blue too much. Okay. I think it's gonna turn blue. It's turning into like slime already. Oh, that's cool. Okay, the glitter kind of shows, not too much though. Yeah, I could kind of see it. I feel like this might take a while. I don't want there. Okay, wait. Well, this is turning into slime. Ooh. I think it just needs a little more like mixing. That's all. A little more. I don't think I added enough. This is. Yeah, it's turning into slime. I think I need to add a little more than I think I do. So I'm gonna add like that much into it. Yeah, it's starting like to get off all the sides, and yeah, it's turning better. It's kind of sticky. I think because I added a lot of glue and not too much Tide yet. That's the only reason. I could tell it's like still like gluey, so I'm gonna just add a little more of this. Like that. Okay, that's a lot. It's kind of turning into slime. Well, it's turning into slime. This is really cool. Okay, yeah, this is turning into slime, definitely. Kind of sticky, like not too sticky though. Yeah. Okay, wait, I'm gonna take that out. Oops. I think I just added a lot. I feel like I added too much detergent now. Because like there's like liquid in it. Yeah, it kind of turned into slime, but kind of sticky. I think it might be the Tide in it or something. I'm not sure, but maybe I just need like need it a little more, because actually I've had slime like this. It just needed kneading. So yeah, it didn't really turn blue like I expected it to. Okay. Yeah. So it's kind of sticky. Not like a lot sticky, like it's like playable with. But yeah, that's how the slime turned out. Of just the slime. I'm hoping the eye drop one would work better. I probably will. So maybe just a detergent that it is this, but I'm not sure. It could be anything. because I've actually had slime just like this with detergent. It just needed like a lot of kneading for some reason. But so that's the slime with the Dollar Tree. It's only 2 ingredients too. So let's move on to the fluffy. So after working on the slime, it turned into a really good slime. I really like the glitter in it. It's really pretty. So now let's move on to the fluffy. Okay, now it's a fluffy. So what I got for the fluffy is baking soda. I got the eye drops, the glue, and the shaving cream. This is fluffy. So yeah. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the glue in the whole entire container. Okay, after adding the glue, I'm gonna add the shaving cream. So, right. Okay, so this is gonna make the slime very fluffy. So yeah, just keep mixing in the shaving cream and it'll turn fluffy. So I think I need to add a little more. There we go. Now it's gonna be super fluffy. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep mixing like damn. Okay, so after done mixing, it should be something like a very fluffy kind of texture like that. I'm going to add in a little bit of baking soda. So just a little bit of baking soda, like there we go. Put it. Just a little bit, and then mix. You could see it kind of starts forming, not too much. I could see that kind of starting to form, but not like a lot. But yeah, then we're gonna add some eye drops. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time, just like the detergent one. And you could see it starts to form. I didn't add enough. I don't know why I touched it, but okay. Now I'm gonna add a little more. That was a lot. Okay, but just keep adding it, and then just keep stirring, just like regular slime. But this is Dollar Tree slime. I've actually never tried some with eye drops. This is my first time ever, and I'm doing it as a Dollar Tree one. So yeah, just keep adding in the eye drops. So yeah, just keep adding them. Yeah, and it should turn into slime. Okay, so this is how the fluffy slime turned out. It's very fun and like stretchy. It's very soft feel. It has a soft feel to it. And yeah, love this slime. I just love the fluffy texture to it. And yeah, so this is the fluffy slime. So I hope you guys liked the video. Here are the 2 slimes I made, fluffy and just slime. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.